हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स। आप जब भी जावा प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं तब आपको जब भी आप एक मेथड डिक्लेयर करते हो देन आपको बताना पड़ता है कि मेथड विल बी पब्लिक और प्राइवेट और प्रोटेक्टेड, राइट? whenever you are declaring any field, at that time also you have to declare private, protected or public, right? So when those access modifiers will be used, okay, all the things we'll cover today. So what is access modifiers? Access modifiers are keyword that can be used to control the visibility of fields, methods and constructors in a class. So एक क्लास के अंदर में आप अगर कोई मेथड डिक्लेयर करते हो, कोई फील्ड डिक्लेयर करते हो, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि प्राइवेट, प्रोटेक्टेड, डिफ़ॉल्ट, या अगर कुछ नहीं देते तो डिफ़ॉल्ट, अगर कुछ दे दिए तो देने का मतलब क्या, प्राइवेट हो सकता है या प्रोटेक्टेड हो सकता है या पब्लिक हो सकता है। अगर आपने कुछ नहीं दिया, जस्ट यू जस्ट राइटिंग लाइक void so name, if you are creating a method and writing like void space method name so name, okay, you are not giving anything here, right? No, neither private nor protected nor public, right? So that will be treated as default. You do not have to write, no need to write the default access modifiers there while creating a method. Access modifiers are basically keyword, okay, that will control the visibility of the declaring the fields, methods and the constructors in a class, ठीक है? So इसको मैं आपको एक पूरे एग्जांपल से समझाऊंगा कि what are the possible visibility of the default and the private and the protected and the public. See here I have created a table. मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिया है कि if you are creating any field or method as a private, then उसकी स्कोप क्या होगी। मतलब अगर आपने प्राइवेट किया है तो ये ज़्यादा हाईली रिस्ट्रिक्टेड होता है, ठीक है? अगर आप चाहते हो कि कोई फील्ड या मेथड को आप आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लास एक्सेस नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो आपको विद इन क्लास के लिए प्राइवेट एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स देना होगा। जब जैसे हमने इनकैप्सुलेशन जब सीख रहे थे तब उसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि जो भी आप फील्ड डिक्लेयर करते हो उसको हम लोग प्राइवेट देते हैं, एंड देयर आर पब्लिक मेथड्स फॉर सेटर एंड गेटर टू सेट द वैल्यू एंड टू गेट द वैल्यू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड। तो वहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, प्राइवेट। तो प्राइवेट देने के बाद उसका एक्सेस आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लास इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ठीक है? आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लास इज नॉट पॉसिबल, देन ऑब्वियसली इन अदर क्लास, obviously within package or outside of the package or outside of the package, okay? Like in the subclass also you cannot access, means outside of the class cannot be accessed or private fields or methods, okay? Now I will show you with the example. Note just here I am going just once and will run the program and will show you that how you can access or not. डिफ़ॉल्ट कीवर्ड का यूज जब अगर आप कोई एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स नहीं देते हो देन दैट इज ट्रीटेड एज डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स। तो डिफ़ॉल्ट का क्या स्कोप है? बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज्ड रहते हैं कि अगर मैंने कुछ नहीं दिया देन दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज पब्लिक। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता। डिफ़ॉल्ट और पब्लिक में अंतर है। आपको आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, राइट? डिफ़ॉल्ट अगर आप विद इन क्लास एक्सेस करना चाहते हो देन ओके, ठीक है? विद इन क्लास प्राइवेट भी एक्सेस होता है, डिफ़ॉल्ट सभी एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स विद इन क्लास यूज होते हैं। नाउ द कंडीशन कम्स फ्रॉम द विद इन पैकेज और आउटसाइड पैकेज। विद इन पैकेज, ठीक है, अगर विद इन पैकेज अगर आप उसको एक्सेस करना चाहते हो देन आप कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जैसे कि मैं भी आपको एग्जाम्पल से बताऊंगा कि विद इन पैकेज करने का मतलब क्या होता है, ठीक है? अगर आप आउटसाइड ऑफ द पैकेज एक्सेस करना चाहते हो इधर बाय सब क्लास और इन नॉर्मल क्लास, then you cannot access the default methods or fields outside of the package. In simple word, if you are giving a method, I will always tell you with a method, okay? But it's not like that for field. It doesn't applicable for field also. But just to explain, I will I will consider example of method only, okay? क्योंकि मुझे बोलने में आसानी होगी ना। So अगर आप कोई प्राइवेट मेथड डिफाइन करते हो देन दैट इज एक्सेसिबल विद इन क्लास ओनली, ठीक है? और अगर आप उस मेथड को उसमें आप कोई भी एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स नहीं देते हो देन दैट इज ट्रीटेड एज डिफ़ॉल्ट। और डिफ़ॉल्ट हो गया तो क्या हो गया कि आउटसाइड ऑफ द पैकेज कैन नॉट बी एक्सेस, ठीक है? आउटसाइड ऑफ द पैकेज उस मेथड को आप एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? बट अब देखिए विजिबिलिटी फिर बढ़ रही है। प्रोटेक्टेड, अगर आप जो मेथड आपने डिक्लेयर किया जैसे डिस्प्ले नेम, आप उस मेथड को अगर प्रोटेक्टेड करते हो, प्रोटेक्टेड वाइड डिस्प्ले नेम, अगर आपने प्रोटेक्टेड कर दिया तो विद इन क्लास तो ऑब्वियसली आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो, विद इन पैकेज ऑब्वियसली एक्सेस कर सकते हो, आउटसाइड ऑफ द पैकेज भी एक्सेस किया जाता है, बट एक कंडीशन है दैट विल बी एक्सेस्ड इन अंडर सब क्लास ओनली, मीन्स you will have to extend the super class or the parent class। ठीक है, जब आप किसी क्लास को एक्सटेंड्स करते हो तो जो जैसे लेट्स से क्लास B एक्सटेंड्स क्लास A, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है कि B इज द चाइल्ड क्लास और द सब क्लास। ठीक है, सो आप सब क्लास में उसको आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो, बट अगर आप उसको एक्सटेंड नहीं करते हो देन यू कैन नॉट एक्सेस द प्रोटेक्टेड मेथड ऑफ क्लास A इन क्लास B। ठीक है, you cannot access that one, but if you are declaring any method as public then that is accessible, so if you are declaring any method as public so that will be accessible from everywhere। ठीक है, विद इन क्लास करना चाहते हो, विद इन पैकेज करना चाहते हो, आउटसाइड ऑफ द पैकेज करना चाहते हो। ठीक है, whether you are extending or not doesn't matter। so with the highly which modifiers is highly restricted, that is a private one। Private means within class only, default means within package only, protected means outside of the package also but in the subclass only, and for public across JVM that can be accessed। ठीक है, so this is the public। now we will see this with the example in Eclipse। let's go to the Eclipse। okay, so here I have created one class called student info and one Pojo class I have created। okay, in this Pojo class I have created one field student name as private, and there are public method setter and getter for student name, and there is one method I have created show student name as the private one। okay, now I want to access this from outside of the class, because what I had told you that for private property or for the private method that will be accessed within class only, not outside of the class। ठीक है, so if I am creating any method as private and then trying to access, see student Pojo is inside com.practice, here you can see at top also the package is com.practice। ठीक है, and student info is inside com.practice। now I have created one object for student object। now I try to access the show student name of student Pojo class। ठीक है, let's see we can access or not। so obj dot, see you can see that set method, set student name and get student name is coming because of the your public access modifiers। okay, but for the private method is name is show, see there is no suggestions are coming। okay, but let me copy the method name and call forcefully ABC। see I cannot access, and in suggestions you can see the change visibility of show student name is coming। okay, so it is asking that you should change the visibility from private to some other things to access within package। ठीक है, now it is clear, right? means private cannot be accessed outside of the class। now the next is the default। if I will not give the private then that will be accessed within class and within package also, but not outside of the package। ठीक है, see now here I am trying to call first let me change it, let me remove that private to nothing, only the default, because the default can be accessed within class and within package, not outside of the package। ठीक है, so now student Pojo show student name is of the void, means default type, there is no modifiers I am giving। okay, now see the error is removed। now I can call the default method। okay, the default method inside the package. My main method is inside the com.practice, and the Pojo class is also inside the com.practice, so that can be accessed. Okay, now within package I can access, right? Within class, obviously within package, but now let me try with from the outside of the package. So I have created one, other package, and going in this student example, now I'm going to trying to create the object of student Pojo class. Okay, student Pojo obj equal to new student Pojo. Now I try to access obj dot. See, you can see that set student name is coming because of the public nature. Okay, public modifiers. So since I have changed the from in the student Pojo, I have changed the so student name from private to default. I have not given anything, so it will be treated as default method. Now try to access that default method outside of the package. See, I am inside com.demo and Pojo class is inside com.practice in the different package. Now let me open that. Let me try to call the so student name. See, no suggestions are coming. Let me call the forcefully. Okay, so student name from outside of the package. Okay, let me call ABC. Just let me pass any parameter. Change visibility of so student name to protected. Okay, it is asking me to change the visibility to protected. Here you can see that I have extended. Okay, let me remove this one because for a simple now what it is showing, change visibility of student name to public. Okay, I was able to access the student name, right? Set student name obj dot set. See, I can access because this student name is of the public nature. Public modifier is given in the student Pojo. Remember, this is a public. That's why I can access in other package. But this is a default method, and I cannot access the default method outside of the package. Okay, I think it is clear now, right? So private will be within class only, default will be within class and within package. Okay, not outside. Now if I give that method as protected, then I can access outside of the package also, but for subclass only. That I will have to extend, otherwise I cannot access. See, I have created two column, outside package by subclass only or outside package. Okay, so let's see with the example. In student Pojo, I have to change this method as protected. So now this method is now protected. Okay, now I am trying to call this so student name. Now again it is asking to change the visibility. Okay, so what I had told you that if you are creating a method with the protected modifiers, then that will be accessed inside the class, inside the package. Okay, so obviously I can access in the student info, there is no problem. Okay, you can see that I can access inside the package. Now for outside of the package, that will be accessible inside means for subclass only. Okay, so now I need to extend student Pojo because the method is inside student Pojo. Okay, student example, student object equal to new student example. Now I am going to call student object dot. See, I can access the set student name, I can access so student name, I can access get student name. See, set and get can be accessed now with the object of student example also, because I am extending. Now this is a child class and this is a parent class, so child class will can access all the method of the parent. Okay, so student object dot so student name. That's why if you are making any method as protected, then that will be accessible inside the subclass, because you can understand from the life example, like real life example. Say student example is child of student Pojo, so every child can access his or her father's property, right? That is his or her property also. So that's why if you are trying to access any method outside of the package, then you have to be inheriting that parent class. So here I am extending or inheriting the student Pojo class. So this is the class is child class, and have created object of child class and calling. Here still it is throwing error, because this is the object of student Pojo, and you are trying to access outside, and you cannot access outside. This should be public to access for with the student Pojo object. ठीक है, I hope I am making you clear. ठीक है, and the last is the public, and if you create any method public, so you will have to write this public. If you will not write it, then it will be treated as default. ठीक है, now if you are making a method public, then that you can access inside the class, inside the package, no problem, outside the package, no problem. See, with the student object also, means with the object of student example class I can also call, and with the student Pojo I can also call. Okay, so these are the differences between all the access modifiers, that is private, default, protected and public. So interview questions is asked like how many access modifiers are in Java and what access modifiers you will use. So according to your requirement, like if you feel like the method or the property that you are creating that should be accessed inside class only, then you have to give that private. But if you are thinking that inside class, okay fine, but inside package also that need to give, then you don't have to give any access modifiers. That will be treated as default and can be accessed. And if you want to if you do not want to restrict outside of the package, then you have to use public. But if you want to restrict outside of the package by subclass only, then you can give protected. Okay, and for public it will be used from anywhere. There is no restriction for the public method. So these are the questions that is asked. I hope I was able to make you understand like how you can use access modifiers. Please comment in comment box if you have any questions. Thank you.